Welcome to the BTEC Level 3 Diploma, course information for students. The MPA BTEC Level 3 Diploma is a course for learners who are employed in the role of pre-registration trainee pharmacy technicians. By completing the course, not only will you receive a nationally recognised specialist and professional qualification in the form of a BTEC Diploma, but you can also apply for professional registration with the GPHC as a pharmacy technician. The latest standards emphasise person-centred professionalism, communication and team working through the integration of learning and experience during the training. Other skills that you'll develop include professional attitudes and behaviours, interpersonal and intrapersonal skills, including communication and leadership skills, carrying out the accuracy check of prescriptions, which means you won't have to do an additional qualification in order to become an accuracy checker, and the underpinning knowledge in biological and chemical principles in order to give you a more in-depth understanding. So why enroll onto this course? What does a pharmacy technician actually do? Well, pharmacy technicians are registered professionals that hold a lot of responsibility. The role of the pharmacy technician typically includes providing safe and effective pharmacy services, supplying medicines and devices to patients, achieving the best outcomes through a patient's medicines, assembling medicines for prescriptions, and providing information to patients and other healthcare professionals. Pharmacy technicians may also be involved in the supervision or management of staff, stock procurement or manufacturing, aseptic dispensing or quality control, or even medicines management. The new NPA Level 3 BTEC Diploma has been designed to fit the latest standards for the initial education and training for pharmacy technicians. These standards provide guidance on learning outcomes which fall under 4 domains. These domains are person-centered care, professionalism, professional knowledge and skills, and collaboration. All of the domains and learning outcomes have equal importance. It's important that you familiarise yourself with the standards that are encompassed under the 4 domains. You'll be expected to use these standards actively throughout the course. This is so that you will understand what is expected of you when you are registered as a pharmacy technician. What makes this course different to previous pharmacy technician courses is the way that it is assessed. The new outcomes in these standards are based on an established competence and assessment hierarchy known as Miller's Triangle. The new standards focus on integrating learning with experience. These standards are either knows how, which will test if you know how to use the knowledge and skills required, or does, which will assess you demonstrating the learning outcomes in everyday situations. To be eligible for enrolment, you must be currently working in a pharmacy environment for a minimum of 14 hours per week as a pre-registration trainee pharmacy technician under the direct supervision of a pharmacy professional. You must have GCSE pass grades in English, Maths and Science or equivalent. For Science, we do provide a new screening assessment. Your employer will ask for a good character reference and also a self-declaration for health. If you have any conditions that may affect your studies or fitness to practice, please contact the Member Services team for advice on how these can be managed.